What's up, everybody? Simon here. What a day it has been for Elon Musk. He had an incredible day with Hertz agreeing to buy 100,000 Tesla vehicles. And because of that, the Tesla stock has jumped over $1 trillion in market cap, over $1,000 per share. And Elon Musk has made over $30 billion today from that jump, and his total net worth has gone up to nearly $300 billion, making him the richest man on the planet again on paper. And in this video, we're going to discuss the Tesla stock, whether it's attainable or not, as well as some Tesla competitors that I think have a lot of potential in terms of investment. So before I get into this video, I always ask that you guys show some love. I appreciate it by hitting the like button for me. It helps the YouTube algorithm get this video out. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Let's get into this video. So Hertz is that rental car company you guys have probably rented a vehicle from in the past. They asked or ordered nearly 100,000 vehicles from Tesla. Now this is just nearly months after almost going bankrupt. Hertz now redeemed themselves, were bailed out, and are able to order a big fleet of vehicles. That is a huge purchase. It's the biggest purchase for a rental car agency right now with Tesla, and that sent the Tesla stock soaring past $1,000 for the first time. And Elon Musk has now almost nearly had $300 billion of net worth. Now this is incredible. In terms of Elon Musk's power, $300 billion could buy you a lot of different things, but it looks like Elon Musk is trying to dial everything down by selling a lot of his real estate where he is not tied to any particular location. So he seems to not care about the money. And I guess if you're a billionaire making billions of dollars every minute, you probably would say that you don't care about the money as well. Elon Musk's $29 billion gain is the second biggest gain in history, only next to Chinese tycoon Zhang Shenshan, I hope I said that name correctly, who actually had a $32 billion gain in one day when his bottled water company went public. So Elon, even though he didn't go public, he actually had the biggest gain while the company's already public. I think that's even more impressive. Tesla shares rose over 10%, which is an incredible rise in their evaluation. The shares were trading around $900 or so and then past $1,000. Now, about 2/3 of Elon Musk's shares or net worth is tied into Tesla's success. So he does have other investments. So when he became about $300 billion rich, 200 of that 300 billion or so is with Tesla. So congrats to him. Incredible. I own a Tesla car. They have their problems, but they are the future, and he's changing the game. Elon Musk is trumping, can I say that? Trumping Jeff Bezos, who is the second richest man on the planet with about $193 billion. So he is really pulling away from Bezos. They were neck and neck, and Bezos was actually first for a while with Amazon doing really well, and then Elon would overtake him, and then the stock would flip-flop and so forth. But now it seems like Elon Musk is in a league of his own. He's at the very top, skyrocketing to the moon himself, and hopefully he takes Dogecoin with him. Now, Tesla shares have been climbing in recent weeks, even before the Hertz deal. So they have been going up and up and up. And the Hertz deal just sent them past that threshold of $1 trillion, which is incredible. Now, Tesla is not the first company to be valued at $1 trillion. Apple is up there, Google is up there, but they are the first manufacturer to be valued at that $1 trillion mark, which is incredible. Tesla has had great quarter reporting and year-to-date reporting. So they are not only outselling, they're profitable, but they have actually met and succeeded all of their quotas and goals in their sales numbers. The automaker shares are up over 40% this year alone, almost doubling the gain of the S&P 500. Investors look like they're continuing to reward green technologies, and Tesla came in at the right time, was the first to market. And as more people are accepting Tesla as a commuter car with better mileage, Tesla has seen the rewards come through that they have not before. In comparison, Musk being the richest billionaire on the planet, you have Mark Zuckerberg, who ranks 7th, Larry Page from Google, who ranks 6th richest. You got Jeff Bezos at 2nd richest. Of course, the Bernard Arnault family, which is the LVMH group of luxury goods, third richest. Then you got Bill Gates and Warren Buffett up there trading places. So Elon Musk is in great hands, but he's just destroying the billionaire competition on his way to the top. I think him moving to Texas as well is not only going to help his company expand, but it's also going to make sure that Elon Musk gets to keep more of that income tax, as well as the state of Texas does not have a personal income tax. The company will also benefit from that move because they don't have to pay a state tax as well. Now, I mentioned the Chinese tycoon Zhong. He's actually ranked about 13th with about 69 billion. So even though he had an initial public offering that netted him 32 billion, which is the single biggest movement in billionaire history, he did not make much money after that, even though his stock potentially doubled because his net worth doubled. However, Elon Musk's net worth is not only doubling, it's basically growing at an exponential rate, even though the IPO was in the past, which is incredible. I'm a fan of Elon Musk, as you could tell on this channel. He does a lot of great things, and he's a proponent of Dogecoin, which I hope also goes up to the moon. Now, with Tesla going up to the all-time highs of $1 trillion, there's a couple other companies we can look at that potentially have some great opportunity in the stock market. First company that I saw driving here in the Bay Area is called Lucid Motors. This company actually has some interesting cars, very long range battery life. They look very sleek and modern. I would think that they have a lot of potential, with the stock being what it is now, and although it's up today, to grow and hit all-time highs. If they could have better technology than Tesla, they have a chance to become one of the best automakers out there. My second pick is NIO. I have stocks in NIO, although I invested, it went down. NIO is huge in China. They're very innovative, and I think that they could have a lot of potential if they could enter other markets as well. NIO has a cool charging system. They also have an instant battery replacement system, although it does take some time to load up the car on the ramp, have them drill out the battery and put a new battery in, and you're at 100% charge. I don't know how effective that will be in the future in comparison to the fast charging system that Tesla now has and some of the other manufacturers, but NIO is a stock to consider. Right now they're trading around $38 to $42 or so. So definitely consider them. Their highest was around $64, $65. Another big group coming out of China is called Li Auto. They also have some innovative technology there that could potentially disrupt Tesla in different markets. So check out Li Auto. I would say NIO is the biggest one out there. However, Li Auto has a lot of potential as well. And finally, one more company called Candy Technologies. They have some potential also to enter the market. However, they are much smaller. And in the US as well, I've seen these trucks drive around, the Rivian trucks or Rivian. They are incredible. They look pretty cool, and they come with some of the coolest features yet to seen at a truck. Now, there is not one full electric truck that I've seen out yet. I know there was an all-electric F-150 with very poor mileage that was released recently. Rivian has come up with a very interesting truck. I know Tesla has their Cybertruck they're trying to launch. I have one on order with a tri-motor. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it, but I was one of the first people to opt in and put my deposit down. So Rivian has a potential to also disrupt the truck market and go to levels that we have not seen in EV go, which is in the industrial truck world, or maybe even the SUV world. Even though the Model X is the most popular electric SUV, Rivian's going to potentially have some power there to really get into the market because they're doing some very innovative things. And one company I want to mention here, which is a company that actually contacted us one time for something they needed for one of my businesses, and I can't disclose exactly what because there was an NDA. However, this company I found to be very interesting. They're called Canoe. This is an interesting truck. Check them out on their website. They basically are potentially making cars that are going to be used for transportation, and the cars trucks look very interesting to me. Off their website, check them out. Canoe, they're not public yet, I believe. However, another electric car manufacturer to look out for. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Congrats to Elon Musk for being the richest, and not just the richest by a little bit. I don't see any flip-flopping going on with Bezos anymore. He completely surpassed Jeff Bezos on this mega list of billionaires, and he has done it with Tesla as his main stock share. So congrats, Elon Musk. Now build that rocket, take Dogecoin to the moon, invest some of that earnings hopefully into Dogecoin so we could all get some reward as well. If you enjoyed this video, I would like you to hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and catch you guys here in the next video, Elon to the moon.